3TW model for enhancement of teaching and learning experiences in the digital era. By Jovita Nathan, Janardhan Mogre, Priya Singh and Komal Gagre. Introduction. The education system is undergoing rapid change which emphasizes more on teaching through technology. The advances in the digital era demand that teachers should not only possess different pedagogical skills but should also be able to adapt to technological innovation. This adaptation is important for the enhancement of teaching and learning experiences in the digital era. The Sustainable Development Goal, SDG 4, focuses more on inclusivity and quality education for all, and it has been observed that there is a digital divide between those who have access to technology and those who are left behind. According to the Global Education Monitoring Report, GEM, 2023, UNESCO focuses on the appropriate use of technology to promote equality, equity, access and inclusion, which is completely based on the teacher's preparedness, which includes teachers being well equipped with the necessary ICT skills, adopting the new technological tools. It also states that only 54% of the countries have good standards of digital skills, and many students do not have much access to digital technology in schools, even in the richest countries in the world where only 10% of 15-year-old students use digital devices. And lastly, teachers are often unprepared and lack confidence in teaching ICT in the classroom. It is also observed that teachers are stressed as well as overloaded with administrative tasks, lack ICT skills and find it difficult to meet the needs of the diverse learners, which if not met adversely affects their well-being. The purpose of this paper is to integrate technology with the teaching methodology through the 3TW model: technology, teaching pedagogy and teachers' well-being. This model highlights the different ICT tools and the teaching methodology which the teachers can use with ease in their classroom teaching. This model aims at integrating digital resources in the classroom, which will help the teachers in teaching and assessment as well as provide a healthy learning environment and enable more teacher-student interaction. To conclude, the proposed 3TW model addresses the necessary ICT skills and innovative teaching methodology as well as ensuring teachers' well-being. By adopting this model, educators can be well-equipped to meet the demands of the students of the digital era. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.